There are people making thousands of dollars every month by doing just two things: identifying a noteworthy event and documenting it online through a website. The best part is, most of these website owners are doing it in absolute secrecy, because it's super important to do so. We'll find out why later in this video. So the idea is to do the research and find out potential events that might blow up in the future and create a Nano website dedicated to that event. For example, ChatGPT was launched on the 30th of November 2022. Now imagine if you did the research and launched a website dedicated to how to do different things on ChatGPT before it was launched. A valid question would be, how will we know about these things before it was even launched? Well, what you need to do is to speculate on the possible usage and update the content once the product is launched and ready to use. Creating this type of website doesn't even require a whole lot of effort. While other websites need hundreds and thousands of pages of content, you can just post around 30 articles on these Nano websites around a single event and generate a good amount of targeted traffic. After that, you can monetize the entire thing by running ads and partnering with businesses in a similar niche to generate commissions from their product sales as well. This is by far the best way to generate a good income online, which is entirely passive once everything is set. There are businesses entirely dedicated to running dozens of such websites to make unimaginable amounts of money each month. Let's see how you can do the same by following these 6 steps to create a profitable Nano website. The very first step is to choose a noteworthy event. You need something that is unpopular right now, but has the potential to blow up in the future. You can go to explodingtopics.com and find things that have the potential to go viral in the coming days. Just choose the timeline of the past 6 months and the category you're interested in. This website will present you with topics that are getting people interested. Now choose some of these topics and search for them on Google. Head over to the news section to see what other news websites are saying about it. If it seems like a thing that can blow up, then the next step is to check if there are any other Nano websites on the subject. You should avoid anything that has high competition because it will only increase with time. This is why I mentioned people maintaining secrecy in this field. You don't need a lot of people starting the same kind of website. Another important thing to do is to go to Google Ads Manager, make an account, and see how much advertisers are paying to target your chosen topic and keyword. The more the better. The second step is to set up your website. First, you need a name for the website, which you can easily get from namecheap.com. Make sure it's something short and catchy and represents what your website is about. Now, you need a website. This is what keeps a lot of people away from trying things online. You don't know or want to learn how to create a website. That's okay because there are enough tools that can do that for you. You can simply go to mixo.io, simply write what your website is about, and their artificial intelligence will create a website for you without any effort. It's super affordable to do so. Now that your website is ready, let's move on to our third step, which is publishing the right content. The very first thing to do before doing any research is to make a list of questions people will ask about that event. For example, for the ChatGPT website, people would want to know the use cases, prompts, how to make money from it, how to make the most out of it, if it'll be free or not, etc. Since you're one of the first few people who are making a website on that topic, there is a large possibility that there will not be enough data for you to do the research. This is where you use your common sense and find out the best possible things to write on that topic before anyone else. Ideally, you should make a list of at least 30 most commonly asked questions and topics around your event. Use tools like AnswerSocrates.com or AnswerThePublic.com and type any previous event that was similar in nature. You'll get a large list of topics and keywords to target on your website. Now all that is left to do is to write super high-quality content and publish it. Now the fourth step is to rank the website on Google after the content is written and published. Before you do anything else, open Google and search for Google Search Console. Make sure you register on this website and submit your website by following some simple steps. This submits your website to be able to rank on Google. Not only that, but Google also provides you with plenty of tools to help you achieve those first-page Google rankings. One of the benefits of working on a Nano website is that there is basically zero competition. If you followed the third step properly, nothing can stop you from generating good traffic organically. Make sure you include keywords in your titles, headings, and subheadings in a genuine way. Avoid writing long paragraphs, write in an active voice, and include a lot of facts and practical value in your content. Since you used Mixo to create your website, there will not be any requirement for technical SEO. Your website can handle all the traffic it gets properly. I don't recommend doing anything spammy to generate backlinks because it will happen automatically. Since you're one of the few websites on the subject and you're posting a ton of content, you'll easily get mentioned on other websites. These mentions will help Google know that you're writing good content, which will result in better Google rankings. The fifth step is to get your Google AdSense account approved to run ads on your website. Make sure you do this after you start getting some daily traffic on the website because it makes the process much faster. Firstly, you need to add these 3 pages on your website: an About Us page, a Contact Us page, and a privacy policy page. You can use a website called freeprivacypolicy.com to do it for free without any difficulties. As long as you're writing high-quality content, this won't be a problem for you. You can simply register for AdSense using your Google account. Now add your website URL and paste the code provided by Google on your website. After that, you have to wait for Google to review and approve your website. This usually takes a couple of days, but in some cases, it can take 2 to 4 weeks. Once your account is approved, you'll be able to run ads on your website and get paid for it every month. Now the sixth step is to make money by partnering with other businesses. For example, on the ChatGPT website, there are a lot of AI startups that would be interested in promoting their product on your website. They can either pay you a fixed amount every month, but most would pay you based on the number of sales and leads you generate for them. Let me tell you my secret trick to easily find such businesses to partner with. Simply head over to producthunt.com and type your main keyword in the search bar. You'll get a list of startups that are in your niche and would love it if you can bring them more leads. Now make a list of their website and head over to hunter.io and simply paste their website link. This tool will give you the emails of the decision makers in that startup, so you can directly reach out to them for collaboration. Mention that you only want to get paid when you bring them new leads, and mostly all of them will agree to such a partnership. Now they'll provide you with a dashboard and a unique link to track how many leads you're bringing in. Make sure you only reach out to businesses that are a good fit for your target audience so you can make the most amount of money possible. Now, if you think you can scale the website with more content, then do it, because some events are there to last for years. Check out this another video that talks about the 4-step process to make $7,000 per month from Medium. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.